friends, welcome back again to our channel. This is Bien Love Lax, and thank you so much for the unending support, and our YouTube channel is growing now, guys. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing, and of course hit that notification bell so you're gonna be the first one to know every time I'm posting a new video. And also consider, leave me a thumbs up. Your like and comment in this video, guys, really help my channel. So in today's video, we have another unboxing video. So we have our Louis Vuitton unboxing video. But so I will let you know, how did I score this handbag, and different ways also to score the handbags. And at the same time, I will style the handbag in different ways. This is quite a versatile handbag, and it has several ways to wear them. And also I will swap some some straps or something like that to look it more different. And of course, I will show you different styles to wear this one, from casual to formal. And of course, the history of the handbag and all the features of the handbag. And I have also comparison with my other available handbag that I have, so that you have all the idea about this handbag, guys. So here's the receipt. So let's set aside the receipt, and here's the handbag. Let's set aside the box as well. So here is and then when we open it, so we have the pochette accessoire, guys, in the mirror azure, and then gold hardware, and we have Versatility leather here, and the strap is also in Versatility leather. So this, everybody that knows Louis Vuitton, this is really hard to find item. And then since also it's the mirror azure, also it's also very hard to find and to get. So finally I have mine. I've been looking for this one for long time, guys, several years, and I finally have mine. So this is the pochette accessoire looks like, guys, in the front, and on the side, on the back, yeah, on the side, and then on the top is like this, a zipper. It's a gold hardware, and then the zipper is extend this way, and then you have D-ring here, and then you have D-ring here, and then you have here the Versatility leather, and it says Louis Vuitton, made in France, which I like. And then on the back, it's just like that. And then here inside, the interior is beautiful beige fabric lining. And actually, guys, the lining of this one is really smooth and silky. And then you also have this strap, guys, which is detachable strap. And then it's also in Versatility leather. And here you have here the D-ring. And then let's try to here, and voila, this is your handbag, guys. So inside, it is lined with a fabric lining, and then it's in beige, beautiful beige color. But then this one have also a pocket here in the back, and then you also have this thing, and then it's supposed to have date code somewhere, but this one is already a microchip handbag, guys, so we cannot see a date code. So yeah, I cannot feel as well, so it's just somewhere there. So, and then I noticed, guys, that this fabric lining is different from the other handbag that I have, because this one is smoother, and then it's more silky, while I have here my corset, guys, which is the fabric lining is like this. It's rough and it's more stiff. Yeah, that is the difference. And this one is smoother, which I really like. It's quite nice to feel. And then this one is rough and more plastic coating, yeah, something like that. And this one is a real fabric, silky, guys. So that's the difference of the lining. Yeah. And of course, I have here also my old pochette, guys, accessoire. I bought this one in Hong Kong 7 years ago. This is really an old pochette, guys, but it's an epi leather. And yeah, this is how it looks like side by side. So yeah, it's the same. Is it the same? Yeah, it's the same size, actually. The same size. Look at that. But of course, with the pochette, epi leather, it's more structured. Pochette in epi leather, guys, is in a microfiber lining, and this one is in this fabric. So that's the difference. So I have also here my pochette from my multi pochette accessoire, which is this one. Let's open what's inside. So like, you know, in the front, it looks like this. So this one in the pochette accessoire, guys, it has this Louis Vuitton here. And then here, the zipper, you don't have the one extension here. So that's the difference between the two. But the size is really the same size. Yeah, the same size. And here on the side, the same size. But then, when we open inside, it's gonna be like that. Also have a pocket, and then the lining of this one is also again like more rough and more yeah, rough and then more plasticky. But this one is like really a real fabric. And then this one have this made in Louis Vuitton, made in France stamp here. And then like here, this one, nothing, there's nothing here inside. And of course, as you can see, guys, here the zipper, the lining, it was lined underneath the zipper. But while this pochette accessoire is like, you know, lined this way, which I really like. It's very neat. Yeah, it was like stitched like that, covered the zipper, guys, and then like, you know, stitched like this way. So it's very clean, very nice. It looks more expensive, while this one, it looks like that the zipper is coming out this way. I don't like that, guys. It's, yeah, why? Yeah, so that is the difference between the two. Also observe that the multi-pochette is like more softer, not structured at all, while this pochette accessoire is like, you know, more structured. I think it's better. I like it better. Yeah, that's the difference, guys. And this one doesn't goes with a strap, and of course this one have a strap. So in that case, it's really good because like this one is also like an Versatility leather, right? So I will get this one and I will swap here so I can do like multi-purpose. So it means it looks like I have two pochette accessoire, guys. So I have here my pochette accessoire filled with all my necessities. This is the everyday things that I carry every time I go out. So everything fit in this pochette accessoire. So let's find out what's inside, guys. So I have here, number one is my mask. And then I have here a wet tissue. My shopping bag. This is the reusable shopping bag. So it's quite big, guys. And of course, I have here my car key. I have here a compact alcohol. Key clay. My Zoe wallet. And of course, my cell phone. This is the biggest cell phone from iPhone. And that's all can fit in this small bag, guys. So the size is about 9 inches across, and then the height is about 5.5 inches, the height, and then the width is about 2 inches thickness. So that is the size of this handbag, and then the price is about $790 US. Please, I consider this one as a handbag. For others, it's like, you know, considered as like, you know, small leather goods, but for me this is the handbag because it has already the strap, and you can add on like more strap to make it like a crossbody or shoulder bag. And you can also use this one as a clutch. This is the cheapest handbag you can get in Louis Vuitton. That's why it's always sold out, guys. And the resale value for this handbag, guys, is really crazy. I check Farfetch, guys, and like sometimes it's double the price, and there are some also that is like even triple the price, even secondhand. So everybody, like, you know, even you check the website, it's always sold out, always out of stock. But there are some ways that you can purchase this handbag. Of course, number one is through your SA. So if you have a very nice SA, you know, yeah, you can always get it from her. Like, you know, you do a booking, and then like sometimes you can wear like you can wait for a year or so or something like that. Sometimes if you're lucky, if they have in stock, like, you know, in store, and then like your SA is quite good, she can like, you know, source it for you. And then with my SA, I only put this one in my wish list like 3 months ago. Not even 2 months ago, when I do like, you know, buying my first the Mir Azur, guys. So that's 2 months ago, and now I already have it. So like, you know, she's really great SA. So yeah, just find a great SA. And some also the stock in website, so they always check if it's the availability in the website, and right away, if it's available, pay it right away, guys, as fast as you can. And there are some, like, also really stocking in the website, like, they have even the time that they need to refresh their computer, because sometimes, like, the Louis Vuitton have a certain time to restock in their website, guys. So yeah, that's the ways you can get this handbag, guys. I also have this detachable strap also that looks like this. I just bought this one also from Louis Vuitton last month, and this one looks perfect with this pochette, guys. Look at this. See? I really love this. Among the strap, guys, this is the perfect one. So I think from now on, this is the strap I'm gonna use for this handbag, guys. So because I always love crossbody, and with the corset, this is really look great with this one. So I'm so happy. This strap from my Papillon baby, and I have here, it looks like. So again, if you're wearing like just like a button down shirt and like a denim, this is also really perfect. Look at this, guys. It looks stylish because, like, like thicker strap like this, it's really in right now. So it's more fresh, more updated. So this is how it looks like. And of course, when you do, like, you can also do as a shoulder bag this way. Yeah, so you can change the strap, any strap that you wish, guys. You can just use this strap and do this one. So I'm wearing a white dress right now, so it's so nice and fresh. It looks great, guys. And of course, you can do like this. It's also very nice. And also you can do as a clutch as well, like this. This is formal enough. Just change the strap with a golden chain, and it looks like this. It's formal enough, guys. You can attend a wedding or like a birthday party or something like that. And this one is so perfect for the love and support, guys. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, like this video, share this video to your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe and comment, guys. Till the next video, see you.